What's going on, guys? Mike Muscala here with Muskywhips. Another episode for you. My teammate Dewayne Dedmon was nice enough to join us on the show. We're headed out on a West Coast trip, starting in Utah, then going to Sacramento, San Francisco, Houston, and then my hometown, Minnesota, which I'm looking forward to. It's going to be a little bit cold, but it'll be good to see the family and friends. So yeah, stay tuned. Check out the other episodes if you haven't seen them already. We got Miles Plumley on most recently, and also Kent Bazemore. So excited about those. We're starting to get this thing rolling a little bit. You know, Reg and I have been working hard, trying to get on the same page, and I think it's going well. You know, nothing comes easy with something like this, but we're enjoying the process, and just trying to deliver some good content, you know, and trying to get some good fan interaction, hopefully. You know, I would love to have any insight that you guys have through the comments. Anything you might want to see, whether it's another teammate or player or something with my cars or whatever it is. I think it's just kind of a cool, hopefully, little thing we can get going with, you know, just getting these interesting cars with my teammates and other players that I think have a lot of character, and you know, some cool performance. Obviously, we're gonna hopefully get to the track the day we get back from Minnesota. Hopefully get Baze out there, maybe Dennis, Miles with his Ferrari, and then I also have a buddy who has a Ferrari 488 too, so that would be fun. I'll take the Mercedes out, see how that goes. Maybe I can drop the top on the track. But anyways, gonna head out here. I'm outside waiting for Dewayne, and I thought this was really cool. He's got these blue rims on it, and he's got matching AMG logos on the exhaust tips in that same blue. Just the little details like that I think go a long way in cars, and I think add a lot of cool character to it. What you think, man?
Yo, this car is crazy.
There he is. What's up, man? Thanks for joining us, dude. This is Reg.
What's up, Reg?
Hey, I'm Mike.
I'm Mike. Oh, Muscala, right?
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
Yeah,
man.
you too. Is this? That's not you too, is it?
Yeah, that's hers.
Oh, I was gonna say I figured because it's got the little black accent too, the black optics.
You know, a little hint on it, you know.
I noticed the coordination with that.
Did you see the little, you know, we threw the little
Oh yeah.
little blue in the little ant, you know.
Trust me, I noticed that.
Out a little bit here.
It's the little details that add up, man. I noticed that for sure. Oh, we got the subs back here too? Damn.
212.
Wow. With the blue light too? Man.
Gotta get the ambiance, you hear me?
Wow. That's dope, man.
Where you get your car work done from?
His name's Willie. He's at Butler Tire.
Oh, so you do it out here. I've been there. I have to get my rims from there.
Oh, you did? Yeah. He's at the one that's in Austell. Yeah, because there's like a few locations. But
Yeah, I don't know. I just drove the one.
so why do you go in Charlotte then?
Got some dope work, man.
Really?
Yeah. So I buy the car, order it, get it shipped there, wrap it up, tell them however I want it. And a month later, I got it.
There you're good.
Yeah.
How'd you get in touch with them in the first place?
I got in touch through my agent.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So he sent a lot of dudes over through him. So that's what I go through.
It's good to have a good connect like that can put.
And like what he do, like when he wraps your car, he put that little logo in the
Oh,
door handle.
that's cool. Yeah. I gotta do some research on this car before I get in, so I know what I'm actually talking about this time. Let's see here. All right, V8 bi-turbo, 603 horse, 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Good God. In a 4-door sedan, luxury sedan, 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. 600 horsepower. God damn. Bro, I'm just reading the specs on this thing. 600 horse?
Oh yeah, no, she can get up. I got a couple tickets already, man.
Man, I can see why. 0 to 60 in 3.4? Bruh.
It gets up for real.
Oh yeah, we're seasoned now.
Oh, that. Oh. Sheesh. You good or?
Yeah, I think it's good. So why this? I mean, what you already have an SUV, so I'm just curious, like, is it because it was spacious and fast? Like, what was it about
I mean, I had before I got my SUV, I had a BMW, like 750Li, so I kind of liked how, like, the long body, it was roomy, comfortable.
Yeah.
And then I always, like, seen a bunch of people with, you know, the Mercedes and everything. I kind of just like how sleek it looked. I like fat, like the get up was. So I just kind of did my little research.
Yeah.
And just kind of when I was looking, fell in love with the S63.
I don't blame you. I mean, it's so spacious inside. And to be honest, I didn't realize it had this kind of performance and speed.
Oh yeah.
So you had a 7 Series before. What was the first car you ever had?
First car I ever had was a Toyota Paseo.
Paseo?
Yeah. It's a 2-door. It's about this small. I swear it was like a clown car. And I'm 7 foot hopping in and out of there in junior college. And everybody piling in there trying to catch rides. Got one laying in the back seat. Like, it was crazy. I don't know how we did it, but we got around to the Toyota Paseo, man. We get a chance.
We gotta we'll get Reg to put up a photo of a Paseo.
That's just trash, boy. And then from that, I graduated to what was it, Crown Victoria.
Okay,
So,
yeah.
But it was a Crown Victoria you got from the auction. So it was an old cab car. So it was a yellow, I was driving in a taxi cab without the decals on it. Like, you could see where the decals were, so you could read taxi, but it wasn't the sign. Like, that's how I was getting around, bro.
Wow. I was gonna say either it looked like an old cop car or an old taxi, right? But yeah. So then from there, then you had the 7 Series. Is that was your one after that?
Yeah, that's where I went at. But that was like years later.
Yeah.
After the Crown Vic put me down.
In terms of like exterior, so you bought it. It was.
It's black. It's originally black.
Oh, it was.
Yeah. So originally it's black.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you wrapped it in that white.
Yeah.
And then what about, like, did you like tint the taillights?
Got the tail light. Yeah. Tail lights. Yeah. Tail lights is black. It blacked out. Windows tinted. 5%.
Yep.
And then got the Forgiatos on it with the floating Range Rover hubcaps. I mean, not hubcaps, but centerpiece.
Oh.
So yeah, but I got the rims are also painted too as well.
Wait, say that again. It's floated.
It's
what?
a Range Rover floating cap. So that's what that is with the logo.
Oh.
So like, you know how the Range Rovers have the RR, and when it drives, the RR stays. Like, just a floating range. Yeah. So I got that on here, but just with my logo.
Oh, sick. Okay, so that was your logo. That was in the back with the subs too.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, well, that's dope. This is the interior I wish my Mercedes had. Like, I have a 2017, but it's like, this is like entirely different.
Oh, this screen is crazy. Like the whole, come across the whole joint like this. It's tough.
Yeah, to have like the digital dash like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a massive screen. You can change the interior lighting on this thing too, right?
Yeah, the little ambient lights.
Yeah. It's probably really cool at night, huh?
Oh yeah, at night, especially because it's blacked out. Like when I drive, it's in the back too, like right behind the seats. So like that's all I see. Like in the rear view, I'm like, oh, this is bright as hell.
I didn't notice that. Wow. And those seats actually really comfortable back there.
When you hit this to turn it like AC, like make it hotter or colder, like look at the lights, it changes.
Oh.
It's heat, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
That shit's pretty tough.
That's cool.
Like, yeah, that's dope as hell.
Oh, it is cool. Little stuff like that, man. I feel like it makes it a joy to drive.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, just like little shit that puts a smile on your face on like day-to-day stuff. I don't know. It's cool. Oh, there we go. That was cool. All right, we're here. Thanks again, bro.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Musky Whips.
Ooh,
We out.
Musky whips, baby.
Oh, you like that name?
Yeah, that's pretty tough.
One word, Musky Whips. Yeah.
Ooh.
You know.
No hashtag, no little, you know.
Just
Straight
lowercase.
up. All lowercase.
No frills. Just cars. Let's see where Reg is at.